Hey! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural weight loss with the secrets of a plant-based diet that can deliver fast results. Let's kick things off with a surprising fact: obesity rates worldwide have been rising at an alarming rate. It's time to take control of our health and make a change. Now, let's talk about the benefits of a plant-based diet when it comes to shedding those extra pounds. Not only does it help with weight loss, but it also has a positive impact on our overall health and well-being. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to lose weight is sticking to traditional methods that often leave them feeling deprived and frustrated. But fear not, there's a solution that doesn't involve crash diets or extreme measures. Enter the plant-based diet, a game-changer when it comes to weight loss. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods and metabolism-boosting properties, you can kickstart your journey to a healthier you. Now, here's the exciting part: plant-based diets are proven to be effective in achieving fast and sustainable weight loss. You'll experience improved digestion, higher energy levels, and a healthier lifestyle overall. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key takeaways of using a plant-based diet for weight loss. It's not just about the numbers on the scale, but also about nourishing your body with the right fuel for optimal health. And finally, I encourage each and every one of you to give a plant-based diet a try and share your experiences in the comments below. Together, we can support each other on this journey to a healthier, happier lifestyle. For more tips and resources, check out the link in the description. It's packed with valuable information to help you succeed on your plant-based journey. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, you have the power to make a positive change starting today. See you in the next video.